Hello and welcome to our video about the symptoms of depression. Depression is a common mental health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It can be difficult to recognize and can have a significant impact on your daily life. In this video, we'll be discussing the major symptoms of depression, including persistent sadness, loss of interest, changes in appetite and sleep, fatigue and low energy, negative thoughts and feelings, and difficulty concentrating and making decisions. Symptom 1: Persistent sadness. One of the main symptoms of depression is a persistent feeling of sadness or emptiness. You may feel sad or down most of the time, and this feeling may not go away even after you've tried to distract yourself or engage in activities you normally enjoy. This sadness may also be accompanied by feelings of hopelessness or worthlessness. People experiencing persistent sadness may feel like they are in a fog, and that nothing seems to bring them joy or happiness. They may withdraw from social interactions and isolate themselves from friends and family. They may feel like they don't want to do anything, and that life has lost its meaning. It's important to note that feeling sad or down occasionally is a normal part of life. However, if you are experiencing persistent sadness for more than 2 weeks, it may be a sign of depression. If you or someone you know is experiencing this symptom, it's important to seek professional help and support. There are effective treatments available, such as therapy and medication, that can help manage depression and improve quality of life. Symptom 2: Loss of interest. Another common symptom of depression is a loss of interest in activities you used to enjoy. You may find that you no longer feel motivated to do things you once loved, like going out with friends, exercising, or pursuing hobbies. This can be a difficult symptom to recognize, as you may not realize that you have lost interest in things that once brought you joy. People experiencing a loss of interest may feel like they are going through the motions of life, and that nothing is really exciting or engaging anymore. They may feel like they are just existing, rather than truly living. This can lead to feelings of boredom, restlessness, or dissatisfaction with life. It's important to note that a loss of interest can also be a symptom of other conditions, such as burnout or chronic stress. However, if you are experiencing this symptom in combination with other symptoms of depression, it may be a sign of a more serious mental health condition. If you or someone you know is experiencing a loss of interest, it's important to seek professional help and support. A mental health professional can help you explore the reasons for your loss of interest and develop strategies to re-engage with life and find joy and fulfillment again. Symptom 3: Changes in appetite and sleep. Depression can also affect your appetite and sleep patterns. You may experience changes in your appetite, such as overeating or losing your appetite, and you may gain or lose weight as a result. These changes can be a result of emotional eating or a lack of interest in food. In addition, depression can also affect your sleep patterns. You may find that you have trouble sleeping, either sleeping too much or too little, and you may wake up feeling tired or unrefreshed. Sleep disturbances can also affect your overall mood and energy levels, making it more difficult to manage other symptoms of depression. It's important to note that changes in appetite and sleep can also be symptoms of other conditions, such as anxiety or a sleep disorder. However, if you are experiencing these symptoms in combination with other symptoms of depression, it may be a sign of a more serious mental health condition. If you or someone you know is experiencing changes in appetite or sleep, it's important to seek professional help and support. A mental health professional can help you explore the reasons for these changes and develop strategies to manage them effectively. They can also provide guidance on healthy eating and sleep habits to improve overall physical and mental health. Symptom 4: Fatigue and low energy. Feeling constantly tired and lacking energy is another symptom of depression. You may feel physically and mentally exhausted, even after doing simple tasks or activities. This fatigue can make it difficult to focus and concentrate, and it can also impact your ability to work or socialize. People experiencing fatigue and low energy may feel like they are moving through life in slow motion and that everything takes more effort than it should. They may also feel like they are unable to keep up with the demands of daily life, which can lead to feelings of helplessness or hopelessness. It's important to note that fatigue and low energy can also be symptoms of other conditions, such as chronic fatigue syndrome or anemia. However, if you are experiencing these symptoms in combination with other symptoms of depression, it may be a sign of a more serious mental health condition. If you or someone you know is experiencing fatigue and low energy, it's important to seek professional help and support. A mental health professional can help you explore the reasons for your fatigue and develop strategies to manage it effectively. They can also provide guidance on healthy sleep habits, exercise, and diet to improve overall physical and mental health. Symptom 5: Negative thoughts and feelings. Depression can cause negative thoughts and feelings that are difficult to shake. You may have a negative outlook on life, feel guilty or ashamed, or have thoughts of self-harm or suicide. These negative thoughts and feelings can be overwhelming and may require professional help to manage. People experiencing negative thoughts and feelings may feel like they are trapped in a cycle of negative thinking and that there is no way out. They may also feel like they are a burden on others or that they are worthless. These thoughts and feelings can be very distressing and can impact all areas of life, including work, relationships, and self-care. It's important to note that negative thoughts and feelings can also be symptoms of other conditions, such as anxiety or post-traumatic stress disorder. However, if you are experiencing these symptoms in combination with other symptoms of depression, it may be a sign of a more serious mental health condition. If you or someone you know is experiencing negative thoughts and feelings, it's important to seek professional help and support. A mental health professional can help you develop strategies to manage these thoughts and feelings effectively, such as cognitive behavioral therapy or medication. They can also provide guidance on self-care practices to improve overall physical and mental health. Remember, there is always help available, and you don't have to suffer alone. Symptom 6: difficulty concentrating and making decisions. Depression can also impact your ability to think clearly and make decisions. You may find it difficult to concentrate on tasks or remember important information. Making decisions, even small ones, can feel overwhelming and stressful. People experiencing difficulty concentrating and making decisions may feel like their mind is foggy or that they can't think straight. They may also feel like they are constantly forgetful or that they are not as productive as they used to be. These difficulties can impact all areas of life, including work, school, and daily activities. It's important to note that difficulty concentrating and making decisions can also be symptoms of other conditions, such as attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder or a concussion. However, if you are experiencing these symptoms in combination with other symptoms of depression, it may be a sign of a more serious mental health condition. If you or someone you know is experiencing difficulty concentrating and making decisions, it's important to seek professional help and support. A mental health professional can help you explore the reasons for your difficulties and develop strategies to manage them effectively. They can also provide guidance on stress management techniques and self-care practices to improve overall physical and mental health. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, and it's never too late to get the support you need. In conclusion, depression can manifest in a variety of ways and can have a significant impact on your daily life. The symptoms of depression can include persistent sadness, loss of interest, changes in appetite and sleep, fatigue and low energy, negative thoughts and feelings, and difficulty concentrating and making decisions. If you or someone you know is experiencing these symptoms, it's important to seek professional help and support. Remember that depression is a treatable condition, and there are effective treatments available, such as therapy and medication. With the right support and care, it is possible to manage depression and improve your overall quality of life. Thank you for watching our video, and take care.